Hi, my name is Gabriel, and I'm a solutions engineer here at SmartBear. And today we'll be looking at TestComplete interacting with the desktop application for SAP 6.5 Business Client. With TestComplete, you can input data, click on buttons, and enter keystrokes to navigate through SAP modules or elements and manage all your SAP sessions. First, I will open my execution plan where I have several keyword tests set up to run consecutively in a workflow. When I run these tests, they will open my SAP application and perform the test steps I previously recorded with TestComplete. As you can see, TestComplete is able to quickly perform our recorded test steps seamlessly, allowing you to create robust tests. Testers have the flexibility to script in different languages or to create complex automated GUI tests with scriptless functionality through record and playback, keyword-driven, or data-driven testing frameworks, regardless of skill level. In tests, you simulate user actions over SAP GUI by interacting with these controls, rather than by simulating clicks and mouse movements using screen coordinates. With automated tests such as this one, we are able to mimic an end user interacting with several components in our SAP application. We could verify the state of objects and access internal properties of objects as well. Controls in SAP GUI can have dynamic identifiers that vary between application sessions. TestComplete can detect such dynamic identifiers and generate identification properties that ignore the dynamic parts. Such identification properties will remain valid, and the test will be able to locate the test control correctly.